Hey, hello kids, how are you doing today? Okay, welcome to the numeracy class for today, and I hope you've watched the video in the link that was also shared with this particular lesson video, and in the link you will be able to see how the scale is always being used in those days and even in the present day to actually measure the weight of a particular object. It was used mostly in the ancient times market, and even in our present market it's still used in some places to actually be able to compare the weight with a thing or probably an object that is believed to be maybe 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, and when they are aligned are in the same position, not pulled down and one pulled up, or not one pulling down and one pulled up, and they are in the same balance, they are balanced at the same position, we'll be able to say, oh, that weight is equal to this weight. So that's something that you could learn from that video. Now today what we want to learn is the addition of weight. It's just as simple as that, adding the weight of two or more, but specifically for your level we'll be adding the weight of two objects, or rather we'll be adding two weights, which is presumably the weight of two objects. So we'll just be giving you the value of two weights. And please note this, that you cannot add the weight of two weights having different units, or two or more weights having different units. If you want to add weights, all the weights must be either kilograms or grams or any other weights, but they must all be in the same unit. You can't add weights of different units. All the weights must be the same unit. So please note that. Actually, we'll be giving you assessment that will be based on addition of weights in the same unit. But maybe later in life, if you find where they give you different units, you'll be able to say, hey, I can't add this because they are not in the same unit. So probably you have to convert one unit to the other, and they have to be in the same unit before you are able to add or even subtract them. So sit back, relax, and let's go into the lesson proper. Thank you. Yes, welcome back. As it has been said before, that what we want to do today is addition of weight. Addition of weight, that is weight or two weights, that is weight of two objects, but we probably don't know the object, but we have the two weights. So adding weight together, and specifically for your level now, two weights. Now, like I said before, let's note it again. Note this, that the different weights added together are of the same unit. You can note it. We have two examples here, and you will be able to see that the weight of the two weights are of the same unit. The first one you can see is gram, then the other one kilogram. You can't add a weight having kilogram to a weight having gram, although it can be done in a respect, but the safest way to do it is to convert both weights or all the weights to the same unit, to have the same unit, to be in the same unit. So that is the best way and the safest way to add up weight. Now let's look at our example now. The example 1, it says 46 gram plus 71 gram. 46 gram plus 71 gram. So let's go quickly into the solution. So adding this is still the same way as in how you add your numbers in tens. That is your whole numbers in tens. When you first write the tens are unit, which we will do here is a way we can start here. You can start with maybe the tens, because they are two-digit numbers. Then you write the unit. The tens, then you write the unit. So the next thing you can do now is you write the number of the 10 under the 10 and the number of the unit under the unit. Now the first value here is 46 gram. So the 4 is the digit under the tens, then the 6 is the digit under the unit. Yes. So then the next one now is Then yes, let's not forget this. You write the unit, the gram, you can write it by the side outside here, gram, to signify the unit. Then let's move down. Then the next one we write is the 71. Now the 7 is in tens, that's 70. So we write the 7 digits under the tens. Then we write the 1 under the unit. Under the unit. Now remember, we write the unit of weight it has, which is gram, and that is represented by G. So we can ensure you write the sign. And what are we doing? We are doing addition. So the addition. So now let's add properly now. So we can rule the line where we will write our answer. Let's ensure we do that. Yes. Okay. So let's rule it properly. Okay. So now the next thing now we have to do is, remember, you add your units first, the digits under your units first. So let's add 6 plus 1, that is, count it, that is 7. Then 4 plus 7, count it, and that would give you 11. When you write 1, you write another 1 here, and that is 117 grams. You can see it's that easy. It's the same way you do your normal addition when you learned how to add numbers in either tens or units. So let's do the next example. Now the next example states that 66 kilograms plus 23 kilograms. You can see they both have the same unit, which is kilograms. So let's do that. So remember that to do this 66 kilogram plus 23 kilogram, the first thing we do, as we always do our addition of 2-digit numbers, which is numbers in tens. So we'll write our tens and unit first. Tens, that's the T for the tens, then the U for the units. Now the next thing we do is write the 66 kilogram. That means there's a 6 at the unit and there's a 6 at the tens. Yes. So I think my 6 is a bit small. Let me rewrite this and make it bolder. Good. So now then plus 23. Maybe we'll write our plus first so that we don't forget. Then 23. The 2 in 23 should be under the place value of tens because it's 20. Then the 3 is unit. Write it under the U, which is 3 here under the U, which is under the 6 of the 66. Now we can rule the line where we put our answer. But yes, let's not forget, ensure you write the units. 66 grams, then 23 grams as well. Good. So now let's write the answer and add up. Let's add up and write our answer. Now 6 plus 3. If you count it, you'll be having 9. Then 6 plus 2. When you count it, you'll be having 8. And yes, there's a mistake. It's actually in kilogram. Please pardon me for this. Yes, the units are actually in kilograms. So let's clean that and write it properly. Yes, let's clean that so that kilogram, that's kg. Kilogram, that's kg. Then we clean this off. The question says it's in kilogram, so we obey that. Yes. So then you write your kilogram. Good. So now that we have had our answer, we must write the unit as well. Having the same unit, we can add the weights together. It's safe to add the weights together. Having the same unit, now the unit of the answer would as well be kilogram. So we write that there. So 66 kilogram plus 23 kilogram, that is 89 kilogram. So you can see it's that easy. It's already based on the previous knowledge you have of addition of two-digit numbers. So you just use that and ensure you write your units, and you get your answer. It's as simple as ABC. So I'll be giving you some questions, so you don't hesitate to finish them on time, and we'll continue from here tomorrow. So enjoy and have a great time. You're all awesome. Thumbs up to you all. Bye.